Hello kids! Let's learn the letters. Red color. A. Let's write A. A for apple. A for apple. Brown color. B. B for banana. B. B is for banana. Pink color. C. C is for cat. C. C for cat. Gray color. D. D for dog. D. D is for dog. Yellow color. E. E is for elephant. E. E for elephant. Blue color. F. F is for fish. F. F is for fish. Green color. G. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. G. Purple color. H. H is for horse. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. I. I for ice cream. Pink color. J. J is for jug. J. J for jug. Yellow color. K. K for kite. K. K for kite. Violet color. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. Red color. M. M is for mango. M. M for mango. Pink color. N. N for nest. N. N for nest. Green color. O. O for ox. O. O for ox. Yellow color. P. P for parrot. P. P for parrot. Q. Blue color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Gray color. R. R is for rabbit. R for rabbit. Red color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Orange color. T. T for tiger. T. T for tiger. Light gray color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Violet color. V. V for van. V for van. Brown color. W. W for watermelon. W. W for watermelon. Black color. X. X for xylophone. X. X for xylophone. Green color. Y. Y for yak. Y. Y for yak. Brown color. Z. Z for zebra. Z. Z for zebra. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye. Hi kids. Let's learn to trace the numbers. Yellow color, green color, orange color, pink color, red color. Let's write number 1. 2. Number 2. 3. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 5. Number 5. Green color. 6. Number 6. 7. Number 7. 8. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 10. Number 10. Orange color. 11. Number 11. 12. Number 12. 13. Number 13. 14. Number 14. 15. Number 15. Pink color. 16. Number 16. 17. Number 17. 18. Number 18. 19. Number 19. 20. Number 20. Let's learn some colors. Gray color, brown color, black color, violet color, green color, red color, orange color, green color, baby pink color. Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. rectangle, rectangle, circle, circle, star, star, trapezoid, trapezoid, cross, cross, hexagon, hexagon, let's color the shapes. Red color, red color, brown color, brown color, orange color, orange color, green color, green color, pink color, pink color, violet color, violet color, rectangle, circle, star, trapezoid, cross, hexagon. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe.